Hello geometry students, welcome back to another episode of your Unit 5 study guide. Yes, I said episode. What I meant to say was question number 2. Okay, we're going to be looking at these 5 solids, and it says 4 solids on this list have the same volume. Select these solids. So I got to calculate the volume for all 5 or until I find 4 that have the same volume. So let's see, let's go for solid A. Solid A says, well, I know that to calculate the area is base times height, but the figure for A is a pyramid. So we found out that a pyramid is actually equal to 1/3 base times height, and that would be the volume for a pyramid, right? Going off of that, I can say for solid A, let me just put for A, it's going to be 1/3 base, the base is 30 times 10, because that's our height. That is equal to, well, this side, I'm going to simplify this first. That gives me 1/3 times 300, which is equal to, if I multiply this together, that could be 1/3 times 300 or 300 divided by 3, which will give me 100, let's say, units cubed. Okay, don't forget about the units. If you miss out on the units on your test, you will not get points for that problem. Again, remember the units. Volumes is cubic units, or units to the power of 3. Okay, sorry about the alarms beeping. I've changed the batteries and all that stuff, but they keep going off, so I don't know what's going on. So you may hear beeping. Okay, solid B is a cone. The cone uses the same formula. So I already know that the base is 30 and the height is 10. So I'm going to get also 100 units. Why am I going to do extra work if I know that they have the same volume, right? Okay, perfect. Solid C says that the height of the rectangle is 10, the length is square root of 10, and the width is square root of 10. So that's length times width times height. So volume is equal to length times width times height. So it's going to be 10 times the square root of 10 times the square root of 10. I know that these two together make a 10. 2 square roots of 10 make a 10. So it's 10 times 10 is going to be equal to 100 units cubed. Again, units cubed. Okay. So far, A, B, and C have had the same thing. Let's look at D. D is a cylinder. For the cylinder, volume is equal to base times height. Okay? Why do I say base times height? Why didn't I say pi r squared times height? Well, they gave us the base. If they give you a base, in this case they say base is equal to 25, we don't need to worry about the pi r squared. If they give us a radius, that's when we use the pi r squared formula. So right here, all I have to do is easy plug and play. I get 25 times 4. Whoops, I could have done it a little bit better. Let me see. 25 times 4, that is equal to 100 units cubed. Okay, so I found that A, B, C, and D have the same volume. Therefore, E is not going to have it. But I can just double check. If I look at E, is base times height. But remember, the cone is 1/3. So 25 times 4 times 1/3 is equal to 100 times 1/3. Again, I put these two together first, and that'll give me an approximation of 33.3333 repeating forever and ever and ever. Okay, so that is the one that does not match the other units. So the correct answer was A, B, C, and D. All right, that was it for this problem. Let me know if you have any questions in class. I will see you in the next video.